Hello everyone, this is Sujata Suryanshi from NDMVP Engineering College, Nasik. In the previous video, I have explained the Huffman algorithm and Huffman tree concept. Now in this video, I will explain about the next data structure, that is heap data structure. A heap is complete binary tree in which elements are filled level by level from left to right. Before this, you should know what do you mean by complete binary tree. A complete binary tree is defined as a binary tree where all leaf nodes are on level n or n minus 1 and we have to fill each and every node from left to right. There are two different types of heap. First one type is max heap and the second one is mean heap. Now we will see first, that is max heap. Max heap is a complete binary tree with the property that the value of each node is at least as large as the values of its children. Means in short, the value of parent node should be greater than the value of child node. This is given in the example where 50 is the parent of 40 and 35, 40 is the parent of 34 and 35. This property is satisfied, that is max heap property is satisfied by this diagram. In the second one type, that is mean heap, it is a complete binary tree with the property that the value of each node is at least as small as the value of its children. The diagram shows the value of parent node should be less than the values of the child node. Here 10 is the child of 5, that's why 10 should be greater than 5. Again 15 is child of 10, that's why 15 is greater than 10. Means the parent should be less than the child node. This is the mean heap. Now we will see the basic operations of heap. There are two different main important operations, that is up adjust and the down adjust. We will see first up adjust. To insert an element x into a heap, x is added at the next available place. If after addition of x, heap property is not satisfied, that is the value of x is larger than the value of its parent node, then the current element should be moved up. Here we will see one example. In the first one diagram, here 35 we have to insert. Means what? Here up adjustment is used to insert an element, and if after inserting that element the property cannot satisfy, then to satisfy that particular property we should move that element up into the tree. Here in this example we have to insert this 35 in your tree. Then to insert new element into tree, we have to insert an element level by level from left to right only. Okay, initially the left child is present for 10 but right child is not present for 10. That's why 35 can be inserted here because all the locations are allocated by the elements. Here whenever we have to insert element, suppose 30 is a root node, then 20 should be at the left side, then 25 should be at the right side. Now if we want to insert the next element, that is 10, we should insert at the left side of 20 only, and we have to fill all the elements level by level from left to right. Here we have to insert 35, but 35 is not present here, means right child is not present for 10, that's why insert 35 here. But what is the property of max heap? The max heap property is the parent node should be maximum value than the child node, but here parent node is having 10 and child node is having 35. To satisfy this property we need to use this value, that is we should up this value or this child into your tree. Means what? Here 35 should be moved up and 35 becomes root or the parent of 10 and 10 should be the child of 35. Again check for this property. Here 35 is the child of 20 but 20 is less than 35 and we have seen the property of max heap already. That's why again move this 35 up in the parent node. Again 35 is replaced by 20 and 20 should be replaced by 35 here. Again 35 is greater than 30, but here again the max heap property is not satisfied here. That's why again that 35 should be moved up and 35 becomes the root, and again 35 is having two different childs, that is 30 and 35, which are having less values. Again 25, sorry, and 30 is having two child 20 and 15, which are having less values than parent, and 4 and 10 are the child of 20, which are having less values, and 6 and 8 are the child which are having values less than 25. Now we have satisfied the condition for all the cases. That's why this is the final answer of the max heap in case of up adjustment means if you want to insert an element into your max heap, then you have to just insert that element at next available location only, and then if that particular condition is not satisfied, then just moved up to that particular element till you satisfy all the conditions. Now we will see down adjustment. Here when a maximum is deleted, the last element x in the heap is moved to the root node. It may happen that the heap property is not satisfied. To restore the heap property, the value of the root and the largest value of its children are exchanged. Here means what? Suppose you have to delete the root node of your heap tree. At that time, in that case, you have to use this function, that is down adjustment function. In this example, suppose root of this tree is 90 and I have to delete that 90 from this. Okay, but that particular property should be satisfied by the tree. Now here 10 should be deleted, but which element should be replaced by this 10? The condition is given that the root should be replaced by the right side element, that is 10 element. Then 10 should be replaced here, the last element. 10 is the last element. That last element is replaced by 90. Here 10 becomes now root. But what is your property of heap data structure? Root should be greater than the child. But this property is not satisfied here. That's why 80 should be moved up here. 80 becomes root and 10 becomes this. But here 10 is again root of 20. This property is not satisfying for this case. Again 20 should be moved up. Now 10 is the child of the 20. Now in all the cases the property is satisfied. That's why this is the final answer of the given example. These are the two different functions or the operations for max heap. Thank you.